In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your CRM, click on this, and then locate the option for your inbox. Once you're in there, you should be able to see the inbox all created by HubSpot to be in one place. These are your inbox for emails, chat, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp. So just wait for this to actually load in order to see all of the inbox that you have created so far. Now into this case, click on Actions and click on to disconnect a channel. You can choose the channel that you wish to connect, which is the one that I have mentioned earlier. You can choose right here which one. In this case, let's just choose right here for. This is one form of channel. Then you can either create a new form or select right here. Then after that, click on Next. You can also assign right here conversations and click on Next right here and save that. As you can see, channel is now connected to the conversations inbox. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.